Good afternoon, Pike Performers. I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to access the Padlet and then fill in the Padlet for our 1.1 Design as a Process activity. So Project Lead the Way at the end of all of their lessons or activity challenges likes to have you fill in discussion questions or conclusion questions. So you will have this Google slide deck for you. You all will have editing rights and you'll do some other interactive things throughout too. You will simply just click on it, left click, and then click the Padlet link. It will take you to our Padlet. And here, the reflection questions, I try to include the instruction underneath. So I'm asking you to include your first name and first initial of your last name in your original post answering the following questions. So don't worry, there are only two. I just put multiple columns here since we have anywhere from 25 to 35 students in our class. So what you'll want to do is after you read the question, you'll select the Add feature down below, and this is where you would put your first name and then the first initial of your last name, and then underneath there you would simply type in your response. And of course later on we're going to do more things inside of the Padlet for you. If you want to upload, have a link, we can do some Google searches. We have tons and tons of things that you can do. And then simply just left click outside of the activity window and that will save your response. Then you can go to the second question, conduct a quick internet search, and again, once you do that, you can come here and you can follow the same procedures. All right, I'm looking forward to working with you and doing hopefully some fun interactive things digitally in a synchronous and asynchronous environment. Take care.